For this mission, we wanted to take the Nano Hyperspec instrument into the field, do some ground truth scans with the tanks that had the coral inside that they were rehabbing to go be outplanted back into the ocean, and then take that same instrument and put it onto the M300 UAV and fly over the ocean where they had recently done some of these outplanting events.
Mote Marine Laboratory is a non-profit organization dedicated to marine science, education, and restoration.
I hope that this mission results in a real-world application that we can use hyperspectral imaging for determining coral health.
We frag the coral from that big size into little smaller pieces, and then we can make like hundreds of coral within 4 to 6 months instead of 40 or 50 years.
As far as monitoring our outplant sites or monitoring large-scale stress events as well would greatly benefit from hyperspectral imagery. By expanding upon hyperspectral imagery and really fine-tuning how we're going to capture that data, that would reduce the amount of time, the amount of people that are required in order to create this one orthomosaic, from an image from the diver to the person processing it to someone actually analyzing it. That can all be streamlined. So I think combining that with genetic management and then getting those larger scale orthomosaics or images to better monitor the ecosystem work very well together.
I think developing a remote sensing capability that expands the scale at which we can do monitoring and monitoring for predictive results is potentially transformative. If we're able to differentiate between live and dead coral, stressed and healthy coral, between species, potentially between genotypes within each species on the reef without getting in the water, and from an aerial platform, I mean that dramatically increases the scope of what we can accomplish.
Something like hyperspectral, where you can literally detect things that humans can't detect. It's a powerful new tool that we're just learning how to use.
Giving our reefs a fighting chance of being there for the next generation of young scientists.